Okay, in this video, we're going to continue on. In the next section is the location tab. Okay, let's see. So the location tab, it's fairly simple. The location tab is you click on any of these teleportation buttons and they will take you to the contest winners store. Now you can go there to, let's see, if your avatar turns green and you're not a MayaStar avatar and you don't have a MayaStar avatar membership, you go to any one of these locations, you find the MayaStar avatar vendor, and you see a little button below the vendor that says, reset. You just click on that and it will reset your body to the normal color. It won't turn it green. I mean, it'll turn it from green to the regular normal color. Plus, if you're a MayaStar member, you can teleport to these locations and get the winning item in that category for free if you're a MayaStar avatar member. And so that's what this tab or section is about for locations. Awesome. Very short, very simple, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.